Big Wheel Wednesday is here. Follow along in this video. We're gonna go from machining billet hubs. I'm gonna show you guys a rough idea of how we make it happen on the computer. There's gonna be a lot of talking. Stay through the whole video. You're gonna see this thing on the ground. We're gonna talk about a surprise at the end, and let me know what you think. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Guys, op 1 is done. This is the smaller half of the hub. Now I'm designing a fixture to flip it for op 2. So there's the fixture. We're going to set that in there. We're going to probe off this hole back here to indicate the part, and it's going to know to remove that based on the program I'm making. See what we got. Guys, it's time to get the other half going. Into the vise, and we're gonna go from there. Square this bitch up. There it is, guys. So after running your first program, keeping your finger on this oh shit button, everything looked good. I made some notes of what I'm going to change in the next one, just to speed it up and make a nicer finish in a couple spots. But I'm going to get this ready for op 2 and go from there. Hey guys, time to run op 2. See what happens. Hub is done. I'm super excited. Let's check it out. So as you guys know, this is a 2-piece hub design. I'm very excited to see that it fit perfect, just like the drawing. Everything was within spec. So this is going to get bolted down. I'm going to press the bearings in. We're going to get this bike on the ground. So this has a flange on it. It sits down into here to locate it. And then we'd have taper bolts that are going to actually locate those holes too. The goal is to keep this in line within a couple thou of offset. It's pretty much going to be dead center. Just like our front hub, we have removable studs. I didn't want to have anything pressed in there that's going to damage the aluminum, so anytime you get a booger on the thread or something, you want to redo it, you can just pop pop these right out and pop them right back in. These are high-end bolts. They work great on our tricep with no issues. There it is, guys. Everything looks good. I'm gonna get the bearings in. We're gonna get it right on the bike immediately and test fit everything. Another way to check alignment. It's a pretty tight fit between the bearing and the axle. It's extremely tight. So the fact that it drops all the way through dead center tells me everything is done right on the hub. Bearings are in. For mock-up, I'm going to leave the center tube out, but when I go to put it in, I can just split the hub back apart. Another thing about the split hub, it's real easy to change your bearings out. You can just pop those bolts, take it apart, and knock your bearings back out. That was another thought that went into that. So time to go get the tire mounted up on this wheel and go from there. Okay guys, so here's the tire mounted up. And I like how it's got the rounded profile. You don't want to have a square tire on a two-wheeler. So this will allow you to lay down coming into corners. Oh, there's a little sneak peek right there for you. So guys, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get straight to footage of walking around this cool looking machine that we built. It looks a lot cooler than I thought it would, to be honest with you. Subscribe to our channel. You never know, we might be doing a giveaway on something like that, possibly a trike too. So I haven't said it, but it might be happening soon. So subscribe to the channel if you like what we're doing. Thumbs up, shares, it all helps us. It's gonna allow us to do giveaways eventually. In the next video, I'm gonna try to get this thing together of us actually riding it and testing it. There's gonna be a little bit more how-to of the assembly, but just, again, subscribe if you wanna see the rest of this. One more thing, I promise this is it. If you wanna have kits available for these, post what bike you have and what yours you wanna see. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna figure out what bikes we're gonna be doing them for and go from there. Thanks guys. Just wanna make note, everything is just tacked together and mocked up at this point. So there are bolts missing. It's just sitting in a mocked up stage. So enjoy the footage.